sexy! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul. So it's not going to be just any clothing haul. It's not going to be a specific brand. All these items I actually made myself. I'm so proud of myself. So I also will be having sewing tutorials going live on my channel. I recorded how I made each and every one of these outfits, so if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe down below and click that bell notification symbol so that you're notified when I upload. And I know that there's two different options when it comes to getting notified. I think there's one that's like notify me always or sometimes. So just make sure you click always so that you can see these sewing tutorials when they go up. Please ignore this little doo-doo turd on top of my head. If you see white stuff in my hair, I'm currently deep conditioning, but I really wanted to get this video out, so just ignore this area. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first item is this super cute, comfortable bodysuit. A catsuit, jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. So it's just like a tube top on the top, and then the bottom is short. And these are really popular right now, but I honestly can really never find them, or if I do, like they just don't fit properly, like the crotch is too long or something like that. And it's super comfortable, you guys, like oh my goodness. So this is a cute little outfit that you can just like wear around the house when you're lounging. Or you could also wear it out. I'd probably pair it with like some high Nike socks and a denim jacket or something like that. Some cute tennis shoes. So this is the first item. So the second item is going to be actually pretty similar to the last one, with a little bit of a variation. So it's another bodysuit, catsuit, jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. But I added these off the shoulder sleeves on the side. And this kind of just, to me, it dresses it up a little bit more, so you could kind of wear it like to the club or somewhere a little bit fancier than just like every day. You could definitely wear it every day as well, but I just think that the arms give it like a nice little oomph. So this material is super comfortable as well. And if you want to like grab somebody's attention, wear this, because this print is super like eye-catching in my opinion. So that is the second item. And so for the majority of these outfits, I did like use the same kind of material. I got more than I needed. I thought I would need it all for like one outfit, but I just had extra, so I used the extra to make those last two outfits. Next item is this maxi dress. Like I said, it's out of the same material, made from the same material. You guys, this stuff is so comfortable, like you have no idea. So this is the maxi dress, and it's super long. I wanted it to go all the way down to the floor, and this is just like, in my opinion, one of those dresses that you can just throw on for a chill day if you want to go run some errands, or if you're going to go meet some friends for a happy hour or lunch and you don't want to do too much. You want to be comfortable but still cute at the same time. I think this is perfect for that. And the fact that it's so stretchy and just like comfortable, like it feels like you have nothing on. Definitely you could wear this out to eat, because you know sometimes when you go out to eat and you wear jeans, you just feel stuffed after. This is just gonna let it all not hang out, but you're gonna be comfortable and you won't feel like restricted. So you guys, get you some good stretchy material if you make these. Like it stretches horizontally and vertically. I love this kind of material. All right, you guys, so the next item is this super bright, colorful, I don't even know what they're called, crossover tops. This is what it looks like. Again, super comfortable material, like, but so this is the crossbody top, and it is long sleeve as well. Super long sleeve. I love a good long sleeve. Like if it goes to like the middle of my hand, that's perfect. Like sleeves that stop at your wrist are okay, I don't mind them, but if it goes like right here, I don't know why, that just looks so cute and like feminine to me. So I definitely made these sleeves super long for that exact reason. And then of course you have the strings that you can tie around your body any way you like. And yeah, I don't think I showed how to put it on. This is gonna look crazy because I have on this big t-shirt, but I just want to show you guys because I don't think I have footage of this. But you just put it on, okay? That look crazy. And then you just take one side, cross it over, the other, cross it over. Obviously it looks better without this big old shirt under it. And then you just have the strings and then you wrap them around however you want and tie it. That was crazy. I honestly wasn't even planning on using this material. I got this material like 3 years ago, give or take. And I actually have a video, 2 videos on this festival 2-piece outfit that I made using the same material. And I loved it so much when I bought it, so I went back and got some more. And then I just never used it. So I was going through my fabric and saw this. I'm like, oh, I can make an outfit out of that too. So the next item, I mean, it's part of the haul, but I already made a video on how to make this exact thing. And this you can obviously wear with the top, or you could wear it with a different top. It's totally up to you, but y'all, look at this color. Like, get into it. So it's these super long bell-bottom leggings, and this is what they look like. Of course, super comfortable. And like I said, what I originally made was these exact same pants. So I'll have that video linked down below, ready to go. Check my flow. No, I'm just playing. That was lame. But anyway, I did make these 3 years ago. Not this specific pair, but a pair just like them. So the old pair is like old and like worn out, and it just looks kind of dingy now. They look dingy now. So I was like, oh my gosh, I still have some of this fabric. And I love those pants so much, so I just decided to make them again. So that's that. Alright, you guys, so moving on. This is going to be the last little set that I made, and it's definitely by far my favorite. I want you guys to comment down below after you're done watching this and tell me which one is your favorite. But this is my favorite. And you already saw this material. Like I said, I got more than I needed, so I made 2 outfits. But y'all, this one is just like so cute. So it is this tube top, and as you see, it's off the shoulder. Y'all, I don't know, something about how comfortable it is, and the color. Like, this color is so cute to me. It's like a wine cranberry. Like, oh, it's just so cute. So it's this off the shoulder top, and then it's long sleeve as well, and the long sleeve is actually flared out. So I thought that was super cute. And then not only that, but you could wear the top like this, or you could take some scrap fabric, wrap it around the middle, and wear it as like a little bow. So I thought that was so cute. You get like 2 tops in one. And then of course I had to make matching bottoms, which some of you guys already saw this on my Instagram. If you're not following me yet, girl, follow me on Instagram, because my Instagram followers already saw this outfit. So these are the pants. Okay, they are another pair of flared leggings. Y'all, woo, look how big they are. I love them so much. They're so comfortable. I did make them a little bit too long, unfortunately, but I mean, I could just go back in and rehem the bottom to take some length off. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Like, I'll just let it drag in with water. But anyway, these are the leggings, and yeah, they're pretty much similar to the last pair I just showed you. The only difference is this band, I made this band thick. This other pair, the band is thin. And that's just because I ran out of elastic, sis. So I had skinny elastic and thick elastic. But this is them. Comfortable, sis. Like, I would wear these pants every day if I could. I'm not lying. So here are those. Super cute. So yeah, you guys, that is all of the items. I hope that you enjoyed. I really wanted to do a clothing haul for so long, but it's like I didn't want to go spend $100, $200, $300 on one of those websites, and I'm just like, girl, you know how to sew, like, and I'm seeing all these super cute like 2-piece sets and stuff like that, but I'm like, I'm not paying $60 for that set. So I decided to make my own, and I'm really happy with the way they came out. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you want to see how I made these items, be sure to subscribe down below, click that bell notification symbol, and click to get notified always, so that you can be the first one to see when I upload these sewing tutorials, because they'll be going up very soon after this video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and yeah, as always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.